Hey, explorers.
Hi. Hello.
We're at the lollipop capital of the world and the candy cane capital of the United States.
Where are we?
We're in Bryan, Ohio.
Let's get some candy. Look at those Dum Dums.
Hi, I'm Rodney.
And I'm Jade.
And this is our
Explorations list.
Jumpin' Beanz. Look how cute and little it is. There's a little drive-through. It's adorable.
We started our day at the Jumpin' Beanz Coffee House.
I got the frozen raspberry truffle chip. It is so good. It has like literally pieces of raspberry in it. Oh my god. It's really yummy.
And I got just a normal latte with butter rum syrup. Not a lot of coffee places have the butter rum flavoring, so I wanted to try it out and see how it is. I did have to doctor it up just a little bit with sweetener, but in the end, I think it's pretty good.
Wow. And we also got lunch there, which was actually really cute. It kind of reminded me of packed lunch.
Like a sack lunch, yeah.
Yeah, that's the word I was looking for. It was cute. I got some unique stuff. I got an egg salad sandwich, macaroni salad, carrots, and a pickle.
And I got a good old classic PB&J sandwich on wheat bread, and then some kettle chips, and a monster cookie.
Ooh. Yeah, it was good. It was like a sack lunch, though. I did feel like I was back in first grade.
Yep, they were just quick little lunch options, fairly cheap, too.
Oh, yeah.
I enjoyed mine. Mine was good.
Mine was delicious. I even drank the pickle juice.
Yeah, they had these little pickles in Ziploc bags. It was kind of cool. So next, we're going to Spangler's Candy World.
Ooh.
Let's go check out what they have. You all remember those little sweetheart candies we used to get? I remember mine from grade school when we were forced to celebrate Valentine's Day. They're almost synonymous with Valentine's Day. Everyone remembers these little hearts. And we're actually at the home of these little candies.
Oh my gosh, it smelled so good in there.
Spangler's Candy World has a small museum portion, which is free to enter, and has many displays, interactive games, and some relaxing video games as well.
How's it going, babe?
Okay, now we're good.
You can do it. We got to see like a 15-minute video, kind of like behind the scenes.
Basically a virtual factory tour.
Yeah.
And they show you how some of the candies are made, like a bit of honeys, Dum Dums suckers, the candy canes, things like that.
And it's like smell-o-vision.
When they show you the things are being made, they pump the scent of like Dum Dum suckers into the room, which smelled really good. It was pretty cool.
It was smart. Because when they were making the candy cane, they like pumped peppermint into the air. Y'all, I wanted a candy cane so bad. I could have pushed someone down for one. Like, it smelled so good. You can do it.
Yeah, so we may have left the shop with a bag of Dum Dums. We're not going to say.
We did.
Then next, we did a little downtown shopping. There's a lot of little boutiques and craft stores and different things.
So yeah, we walked downtown just like Rodney said, and OMG, everyone is so friendly.
Mhm.
Like every store we went into, they were so kind and welcoming, but like genuine, you know what I mean? It was cool. They were so cool.
Very welcoming, very friendly. Asked us who we are, where we were from. Not in a creepy way, but
yeah, like a healthy way.
Yeah, healthy way, and really went out of their way to make sure that we just had a good time and we knew where things were in the stores and that sort of thing. Yeah.
So one of them even suggested where we got our snack, the Third Rail Saloon,
which was actually built from Bryan's historic train depot.
Mm-hmm. It was built in 1867. It's pretty cool.
And the building is very historic. Many of the period details and things are the same. It's almost like a bar in a museum or something like that. You sit down and basically you're in a museum.
It's kind of like having a bar in an antique shop. Like, it's really cool.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It is a little bit like traveling back in time.
Mm-hmm.
Also, it's right next to the railroad tracks. So we had the experience while we were eating there that a train went past.
That was actually really cool. It really does shake kind of like the whole place. And you're like, I'm glad this is sturdy.
Yeah, the railroad tracks were right there. So you could definitely feel the train as it passed by.
Oh, yeah. Our snack there. I got the loaded baked potato. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so what it had on it? Like cheese, butter, sour cream, brisket. And it had like this Carolina mustard sauce as well. Oh my God. I ate the whole thing. It was delicious. I'd do it again.
I got the bison coney dog. It was a very thick hot dog, like kind of big around. And it had a really good snap to it. And it was I don't know that I really knew that the dog was made of bison or really found any different flavor there. But it was a good hot dog. And then it had a little bit of coney sauce on top and some basically like nacho cheese on top. But it was a good snack, and I enjoyed it.
Delicious.
Plus, we really enjoyed just eating inside the historic train depot and seeing all the period details, especially like they had their old stove that was probably used to heat the building way back when. And they had like the old office of the train station in there that you could walk through. And that part was almost like a museum. They did have some gift shoppy kind of stuff there as well. And then there was another like saloon or bar room, but there was a pool table. There was a historic piano there. There was another little historic stove. Yeah, so that was a lot of fun.
Rodney and I always film these on cold days. We are at Opdycke Park. It is a pretty park. They have, of course it's snowing, they have places you can fly your model airplanes. And they also have, what is it called, frisbee golf? It's 50 acres. And you can rent this historic barn. There's also supposed to be a historic cemetery somewhere. We haven't seen that yet, but, oh, I tripped. Look at the pretty barn.
And next, we're going to Father John's Brewery. This is a brewery made from an historic church.
It's cool.
Once we entered Father John's, we did have a little trouble finding our way around. We actually wandered into the upper church portion. It's a church.
It's literally a church. We went upstairs, and then this is the church section.
This is the main part of the church.
Okay, let's go downstairs. I bet the food's there.
Yeah, let's find the food. But eventually, we found our way back downstairs, where the food is served. The inside of Father John's is really cool, with a sort of medieval abbey vibe. There were many hidden details and things to draw your eye. I ordered the Pontius Porter, which was a very bitter porter, reminiscent of dark coffee. Jade got the mocktail version of the Blushing Rose Cosmo, which was one of the special February drink options.
Oh my god, it smells so good. And it tastes good too.
We also got a bison smash burger with bacon, french fried onions, and brisket. After dinner, we were encouraged to look around and explore. There were many more rooms to this establishment, including a beautiful outdoor courtyard, which would be great during the summer. But perhaps our favorite rooms were yet to come.
It is so cool. This place just keeps going. These are little church mice. Hopefully, oh, that's good light. Okay. You can see it. It's like a secret dungeon room.
Father John's, like Bryan, Ohio in general, was full of surprises. We can't wait to come back. Yeah, and I got the buffalo corn dog. No,
Yeah. Bison.
I got the, yeah, hang on. Yeah, and I got the bison coney dog.
Yeah.
Which is way different than a buffalo corn dog. Okay, hang on.
We got the giggles. Through the
Through
snow.
the snow.
And the one horse. Hold on, I got itchy. Okay. I'm ready, baby.